Chiropractic Center, and this is Tim. And Tim is a ball player, so we're going to do a little bit of adjusting. Tell me a little bit about baseball with you. What was going on before?
Before I would, I play anywhere from 4 to 8 games in a weekend, and I would just ache. My back and shoulders and everything would just ache for, 3-4 days after a tournament, and sometimes I'd have difficulty focusing or just not loosening up when we would play. So, since we've done adjustments with my bat and my swing, I don't have those kinds of issues anymore.
So it's summer, so you're
it's
in
summer,
season,
so I'm in season. Well, and even when I'm not in season, I'm usually playing from January until October, and I take November off, December off.
Okay.
So it's a long season, but in the summertime it is a lot more than what normal people would do.
Okay. And so your range of motion's been better, right?
Range of motion has been better, yes.
Pain's been way better.
A lot better.
Okay. Any stiffness, things I should be aware of?
Not since we've been doing adjustments.
Okay. You haven't been getting adjusted for very long either.
No.
Okay.
No.
So, which is really very cool. So what we're going to do today is just make sure that he is in tip-top shape. Do you have a tournament coming up?
Yes, Friday we leave.
Okay. So we want to make sure that there is no muscle stiffness, that he is focused, that he's ready to go, and he can play the best that he can play. So we're going to start basically in just a standing position just to kind of get him ready. Make sure there's nothing else going on. He's also been doing a lot of renovations at the house, and he has a new baby on the way. So gotta make sure everything's good, right?
It's been awesome.
No neck pain right now, everything's good with that?
Yeah, everything's been great.
Yeah, it's looking really good. So what we're going to do is pick up your bat for me. Because obviously as a ball player, we want him to actually bring in his bat and put him in positions to see if anything else is going on. So, yep, and so as soon as he picked up the bat, kind of changed his posture, changed his back a little bit, especially the shoulder. He tends to be a little tighter on the right side.
That is the set I had surgery on as well.
Yeah, forgot to mention that he did have shoulder surgery. How long ago was that?
3 years ago.
Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just kind of have you bring it back and swing. And the biggest thing to remember too is most sports are not just physical sports, but they're mental sports. So there's a mental game to it. So there's different postures, different things. We like to imagine our ball players, especially like you have to see the ball, you have to focus on the ball, you have to focus on the bat. So there's a lot of things that we do cranial-wise that affect the brain. So it's one of the things that's going on. So I'm gonna actually bring your bat up. So this is actually for the mental part of the game. So now I want you to kind of turn your head to the left. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to have you do a full swing.
Okay.
Okay. Any stiffness when you did that?
Just a little bit, not much.
So let's do it again. Full swing.
And the left side I didn't really feel, was just the right side, which is normal.
Okay, swing again.
Yeah, that
Better?
feels great. Yeah,
Okay.
feels good.
See if there's anything else. So we are done. Ready to go. Rock and roll.